Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update your Xiaomi TV. To do that, you have to navigate to Settings menu, and in Settings menu find Device and Software tile. Then open it, then go to About section. Before doing that, also make sure that your device is connected to the internet, which you can check in Network menu. Just make sure that your device is connected to some kind of network, and after that select Install Update or Check for Updates. And then once your device checks for updates and finds one, it will start automatically downloading it. And then once you select Install Update, your TV will take a few minutes to install an update, and then either will automatically restart or you're gonna have to do this manually. So let's check for updates once again. As you can see, our TV is up to date. Now, to make sure that all the changes applied, let's go back to the device and software settings and select restart. Then confirm and let our TV restart for all the changes to be properly applied. And so at this point, that's basically it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.